one time, they'll mad. Hit it one time, you yacht.
Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is a quick video because I want to show you the new e-Performance SL63 Cabriolet. It is beautiful because it is the manufacture, and that means customized interior, exterior from factory. So in the back you can see some G-classes, the new ones, ready to be delivered. And yes, we are at the Affalterbach area, the Immendingen test facility for all new Mercedes vehicles. So you can already see a beautiful green color. It is a very soft color, so not the emerald green. I will write the correct color name in the description below. So let's check out the interior first. I will open the door, of course, with the folding in door handle. So let's open it, and there we see a beautiful brown interior combination with black leather. This is the manufacturer, as it says right there inside at the center console. Right there at the doorstep you have the AMG lettering with flags. And yes, this is a two-tone combination. 2+2 seating position. So I will quickly close the door. We have carbon ceramic brakes in gold. You can also go for the black colors. Definitely in the GT. So the SL is known to have a very long bonnet.